So we are here in the screen of the unified bidding sheet. This sheet has been generated based on the mapping of the original customer template that needs to be filled out. And you will see if you expand these columns that the lane, for example, is completely recognized. The volume groups, so that means it's in this case the weight buckets are completely recognized. And you will see the screens on or the fields on which you have to bid, the charge field. So in this case, the customer is asking an all-in price. You could manually enter this, and that would map to the original Excel sheet. Or, and that's what we're going to show now, we can also completely fill it out automatically. So if I click on fill out the rate cards, he's going to look to the reference rate cards. He will match the lanes and the volume definitions. He will calculate the different cost components and roll that up to the all-in price that the customer is asking for. So let's do this. So now on the background, he is looking up all the data. He is calculating everything, and then he is coming back, and you see here there is a couple of fields that have been generated. So in the rate cards that you have on file, we have a base rate, a kilometer charge, and a road tax. So you can see here that it's saying how it's being calculated. It was 45% of the base rate. And also the platform has generated a formula. So it knows, okay, my total price is the sum of these three components. Can be different based on whatever chart you have filled out. And you also see here the calculation. So if there's volumes attached to that original freight tender, then also here we can calculate the statistics. What is the lump sum price of that bucket? What is the total revenue if there's multiple shipments in that bucket? How much is our allocation? And then what is our allocated volume? And then we can calculate the total revenue. So this is actually the state where everything is filled out. In the background, he's calculating everything based on your rate cards. He's generating or he's coming back with all the calculated fields. So it's very transparent. You see where the price is coming from. He's calculating his total. And from the moment we're here, we can generate the final offer.